And they just sort of knew who we were. That was pretty cool because Ozzy, the barefoot, because they saw us barefoot from Australia. Ozzy, like this.
They loved it.
Yeah. So guys, Ninja and Darcy here. Another one of our little podcast series. We're going to have a chat while I work on Darcy's quad and his hip. So I'm just going to start doing a bit of body work on that. So you can kind of watch the body work, but listen to our wisdom.
Yeah.
Hopefully we got some wisdom for you today.
Well, I think the one that we spoke about in our course earlier with our students was, you mentioned long-term fulfillment over short-term gratification.
Instant gratification, yeah.
Yeah. You rephrase that for me.
Seek long-term fulfillment over instant gratification.
Yeah.
So it's just sort of the quick little dopamine hits, you know, you get from eating and scrolling and betting and all these other different things we can do to get a little buzz, but we haven't necessarily earned the dopamine, have we? It's the long-term fulfillment is when you kind of achieve something that you've put a lot of time and effort and energy and been consistent. So if it's health or the body shape or, you know, business success or buy a house or, you know, all these different things, they don't just sort of come through just a one-off action. You've got to actually persist and be consistent and be focused on what you want.
Yep.
So that's kind of the difference. So we've just come back from San Francisco.
Yep.
So that's where the discussion, I suppose, starts. Is we got an opportunity to go to San Francisco, go to the Super Bowl. The four of us, the owners of our business, MMT, Aaron and Jace that aren't in this video, but we all went over and we just loved it that we had that opportunity, and it was all brought about through doing videos. You know, back in 2018, we shot a video on osteitis pubis, the groin, the adductors and lower abdomen region. So we were really authentic and showed off our skill set and how we actually help people. We have helped people for years and years in that region of the body. And the reach got to a guy called Mac Hollins, who was injured for 15 months at the time, couldn't walk without pain, played with the Philadelphia Eagles at the time. He reached out to us. We did some consultations through Skype before Zoom, and we ended up fixing him. So he was about to retire. He was only a second-year player. But with our body work, you know, we were able to create the flow that enabled his body to heal itself. But then we were able to put him back together, the body and the mind. So we built him back through our pure biomechanics, so our
barefoot
training and all the different stuff, the stuff we do, like the goal setting, the affirmations and
breath work, the sprinting, the biohabits, the sunlight, the diet, the lifestyle, what it takes to be honest with yourself, doing the work.
Be great.
People don't see. Be great. And he is great.
He's great. He's proven that he's great.
Yeah.
He's proven it because he had the best play in the whole of the Super Bowl. The touchdown catch was phenomenal. It was the highlight of the whole match, even though the scoreline
wasn't what we hoped or he hoped.
It wasn't close and things like that. It wasn't a great spectacle for anybody, but anybody that watched that game, that would be the highlight of that game. And we went absolutely ape droppings. we
were loving it.
We went nuts in that moment. Yeah. So, we just loved that moment. But I suppose what we're saying is it wasn't...
didn't just happen.
Just didn't happen. It was 7 years of hard work for Mac, but it was sort of 7 years of guidance and consult and body work and all that kind of stuff, programming and... just all that kind of stuff that we gave him each time he came out to Australia for his 2-week training camps. We kind of designed, and we planned for the Super Bowl. So he was doing affirmations about Super Bowl.
Manifesting.
He was manifesting, but
writing things down.
Had to do the actions that are in alignment with what he wanted. So that was the key thing. We couldn't just meditate and wish to be strong and to catch hard balls and stuff. We had to actually practice all the different things that made him into a beast and practice his catching and he had to have poise and that under that immense pressure with a whole world, probably 1 billion eyes are on you. He made that catch. So was really kind of satisfying, wasn't it? For us?
Oh, it was the best.
Yeah.
It was such a highlight.
Yeah.
I mean, as we said, he didn't get the results, the Super Bowl win, but we were there for him. You know, he's changed teams 5 times in the 7 years.
Yeah.
Last year, he just missed out on making the Super Bowl with the Buffalo Bills. He won a Super Bowl in his first year. There's been this road, these hardships. There's been injuries, you know, that he started with, and now it's taken 7 years to get to that moment. And we were present. We were there. We were supporting, and it was just this beautiful experience for us all. We're super proud of ourselves. We're super proud of him and the journey he's been on, and the journey that Ninja and Aaron have had with him, and facilitating his experience. Whew, really good. So seek long-term fulfillment over instant gratifications. Where are you adding value to your life or other people's life? Are you doing the hard work? Are you continuing to do what's easy? What is right isn't easy. Do what is right, not what is easy. That's what I should say. The challenge is get out of the comfort zone. Go be a person of authority. How can I add value to this society? What can I do? Where is my skill set? Where is there a demand? Can I reach those two together to create an opportunity to add value to the world? And it's not about doing that today and getting reward for it tomorrow. These things are going to take years and years. But consistency, reliability, focus, discipline, you have those 4 foundations together, you're going to fucking get far. Yeah. You're going to do well. So, we encourage people to find where their skill set is, hone in on that, and buy in. Don't dip the toe in 7 different things. Fucking dive right into it.
Focus.
Give it a crack. Focus. Manifest. Write things down. Be the healthiest version of yourself, physically and mentally and emotionally. Really commit. Get up early. Go to bed late. Do the stuff that's hard. I'm fucking tired. Yeah, we're all tired. You know, like, I'm giving somebody a free treatment, or you're plumbing someone's toilet, or you're bloody planting trees for somebody. You're doing work that allows people to want to follow you. You're not just putting your hand out, asking for a handout, because nobody gets anywhere from that. And if you do, I don't know, things later on in life, it's been shown, you know, there's people abuse it and lose it. And when people really do the hard work, they earned it. That's where the magic is. That's where that long-term fulfillment stuff comes from. That real dopamine. That's the purest way of joy and love and pride comes from. Good shit, Ninja.
Yeah, it is, mate. How was your time in San Francisco? I've got my idea what I really enjoyed, but what did you get from the experience?
It was just the excitement of knowing that I was going to go there. It was a really late, we didn't know Mac was going to win, and then the talk of, is this going to happen? Do we have tickets to the Super Bowl? Have we got to accommodate? Are we doing this? We've got to book flights. Getting over there was just like, fuck, I'm in America. Like, I just love travel, and I love doing it with people that you love as well, you know? Like, it's beautiful to see things on your own, and there's beauty in that solidarity and enjoying things for what it is, being really present in that moment, but doing it with your mates, with your partner, with your family, being in a different country off the back of an opportunity of this place, MMT, what this company, what this
organisation, business.
Yeah, business, the ownership, the component of that allowed us to do was really, really, just pinch yourself. I just kept having moments like, fuck, we're really here off the back of, a video that was filmed probably 8 years ago, and you didn't know the reach, you didn't know, it was free. We're doing this for free. It's adding value. We're putting things out into the world. I'm not knowing what the reach it's going to have, but do something that might impact one person was enough for us to be considered this is worth it. So yeah, go back to the San Fran thing. Yeah, it was just being there, the lead up to the Super Bowl, going to the Super Bowl, being amongst like people that are. We felt so fortunate, you know, when people, your taxi driver, your Uber driver, the lady working the bar, whatever, people going, you going to the Super Bowl? Oh man, how cool! Everyone over there realizes what an opportunity it is to be there, and the fact that we're going was just priceless, worth every part of the 15-hour flight, the lack of sleep, the money, the investment. It was all worth it. Being there and seeing that moment, Mac having that touchdown. So there's lots of really cool parts and memories I'll cherish.
Yep.
What about you, man?
Yeah, probably quickly, I reckon it was just to be able to share the experience with us four and Ash as well, Aaron's
Wife to be.
Yeah. She's pregnant at the moment.
Baby mama to be.
Yeah, she's going to have a boy. That's scary, isn't it? Little Aaron running around.
Big Shaq.
Big Shaq. Tiger. Young Tiger. Yeah, just to share and connect and I loved just getting on the scooters was really nice. Just cruising around the town.
Seeing
just
the
felt
sights.
free. Yeah, it just felt very freeing just to be able to not have, like over here, I feel like everyone's got to wear a helmet and different things like that. So, but it was quiet town compared to Melbourne. I felt like the streets weren't as busy and things, so that was kind of refreshing.
Less road rage.
Yeah.
I mean, there was horns, but
Everyone
pedestrians.
was polite, weren't they? They
Yeah.
were letting us go.
Yeah.
The scooters go first, kind of thing.
Yeah.
Or the pedestrians go first. It seemed
great.
like, whereas here it's dog eat dog, and
Yeah.
cars just, if you're a person's walk across the road, get up the road. This is for cars, not for humans, not for pedestrians, you know.
Yeah.
But I just love. I think that was great that we shared that experience together. It was awesome that we got to go there, I suppose, in the first place.
Yeah.
But but it was good. All the different things that we went to a really cool drug and alcohol free party.
Yeah, that was awesome.
Really cool. One of your highlights,
Yeah.
Black.
Black, meeting, he's
You met him.
huge.
You
met
met
him,
him.
spoke to him. He's a massive, worldwide recognised singer, songwriter, rapper.
Yeah.
Black, Lack is how it's spelled. He was playing in an intimate party of 100 people, max.
Yeah.
He's got thousands and thousands of people going to his concerts, and he's right there. Oh,
Yeah.
it's awesome.
Talking to him.
That was a huge highlight.
Yeah. Yeah, we did an interview on radio. It didn't get aired, but still
It's there.
going through all that process was really exciting. And yeah, so just lots of opportunities came out of it. And lead up to the game was really cool. That me meeting all these other superstars. I
Yeah.
suppose the day before, me and Aaron got a chance to go to the family day.
Yep.
So that was cool. We just hung out with Mac and his family for like an hour out on this beautiful day in Stanford University, prestigious university in San Fran. So amazing. So we got photos with Stefan Diggs and Vrabel, the coach. And these, Marcus
Superstars.
Jones, these other superstars, Big Moses.
Worth hundreds of millions of dollars.
Yep. Yeah, crazy. And they just sort of knew who we were. That was pretty cool because Ozzy, the barefoot, because they saw us barefoot from Australia.
Yeah.
Ozzy, like this.
They loved it.
Yeah. So it was kind of cool. Like Stefan Diggs kind of knew who we were.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's like, that's pretty crazy.
Yeah.
So yeah, heaps of gratitude and I suppose humble beginnings, but stacks of work have gone into this. I think people see a YouTube like this, but it's the tip of the iceberg. All this work has gone in to be able to be as competent and as strong and vibrant as we are. And that's what it's all about. This video is, you reap what you sow.
Yeah.
And we've been consistently doing this sort of stuff for many years now, and we've been a trailblazer in the bodywork and the barefoot exercise realm. So it's sort of people are standing back and having a look at us now, and there's a lot of validity in what we do because it actually gets results. And there's no better result than what we saw on Super Bowl. Was it this guy? He's turned his body, his life around, his body around, his game around, and he was in the clutch.
Yeah.
He performed, and
We couldn't be prouder.
Nah.
It was worth every Every minute of us being there.
Yeah.
Was
No regrets.
No regrets.
Is what I've been saying lately. He's sort of don't have regrets. We regret the things
You don't
that
do.
we haven't done, not the things we have done. So we've got not regretting one bit, the money, the time, the energy, the ups and downs of that trip. We're not regretting one bit of it because we were there. We showed exactly
Our values.
through our presence. You know, we were there for Mac.
It was awesome.
It was cool. So,
Live in accordance with your values, guys. Add purpose. Do something. Do some free stuff. Go and fucking do some videos. I don't know what it is. If you keep complaining about your business or your relationship, the signs are there. There's opportunity for you to dive into something that's probably uncomfortable, but the opportunity for you to succeed and do better and grow, it's there for you guys. Just be present, be aware, and do what's hard, not what is easy.
Yep. Get it done.
Get it done.
Thank you.
See you next week.